Tonight we had our annual membership event where we invited guests to become members and members to become sponsors.
I'm the owner of Dose of Beauty, located in Huntington Village. I'm an esthetician, a makeup artist.
I'm the owner of JP Wood Floors. Of phone number is 631-639-5076.
I'm the owner of MIV Flooring and Carpeting.
I'm the owner and founder of Deal Management Consulting. I am the newly appointed Membership Committee Chair. I'm so excited to welcome new members.
So trust the market. You might start with scribble and then all of a sudden you're like, oh my God, what is that? So really trust the market.
Happy to be here in this annual event, Membership Drive event 2024. I hope to see you next year in the Membership Drive 2025.